Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a bootable USB for macOS Big Sur. In this video, I will be demonstrating two different methods to create a bootable USB. The first method, we will be using an app, and the second method, we will be using terminal commands. At the end of the video, you can choose whichever method you find the most convenient to use. Okay, let's start with the first method, which is to use an app. So this app that I'm about to show you is called this creator here. So in order to get this app, you need to go to its official website, and it is free to download. Just open Safari and you type in this creator, and the first link here, it's from MacDaddy. If you want to support the app developer, you can even donate here through PayPal or Bitcoin and so on, or even credit card. So here the link, just click this button to download. I already downloaded it, it's right here. Once you're done, the next step, of course, you need to download the macOS Big Sur installer file. To download it, just go to App Store and search for macOS Big Sur. It's right here. For your information, my macOS is right now macOS Big Sur already. It's version 11.0.1, the latest version. So what you need is just click Get here to download. You can see the file size, it's about 12.6 gigabytes. So just click Get and download it. I already downloaded it, it's right here. And of course, usually after you finish downloading it, this file will automatically be stored in Applications folder. And it's recommended that you copy it and paste it onto the desktop here for easy access. So once you've done that, the next step is you need a flash drive of at least 16 gigabytes. So just open the This Creator app here, and then at the top here you select the drive. In my situation, my flash drive is teaching here, and then you have to select macOS installer file. So in my case, it's on my desktop here. Select, click open, and you just click on create installer here, and it would give you a warning saying that it will erase everything. So just erase disk here, and the process will start. It will take some time, so just click erase disk here, and then it will ask you to type in your administrative password, and then click OK. Just wait for it. It will start the process. If the first time it throws an error at you, don't worry, just do it all over again. So select the drive and then click create installer. Usually the second time it will work. You can see it shows that the flash drive has been rejected. I mean, it's not working. And you say install macOS Big Sur connected now. It shows this and mean it works. Just wait for it. So I will speed up this process so that you don't have to wait for long. Okay, now you can see they say complete, so it's done. So this is the first method using this creator app. Now let's move to the next method, which is to use terminal command. So what you need is click on command space on your keyboard and you type in terminal. Click enter. Let me make it big for you. Okay. So this method, you don't need any app, just type in the code, but make sure you plug in your flash drive. It have to be at least 16 gigabytes. And it would be a better idea if you also format it first, because if you bought a flash drive, it usually comes with FAT32 format. So the first thing you need to do is you go to disk utility, click enter, click on the drive you want to format, click erase. I mean, because I already used this flash drive to make a bootable USB through an app already. That's why it already automatically selects macOS Extended Journal for me. But for you, it will be this one maybe. And then you have to select macOS Extended Journal. And you click erase. You can see now it says operation successful. Click done here. And now you're good to go. So make sure your macOS Big Sur installer file is here as well. So just type in exactly what you see here. So you just type in sudo, and then you have to drag the macOS Big Sur installer file onto it. So in my case, it's right here. And / contents / resources / create install media space -- and you type in volume space, and then you drag and drop your flash drive onto it like that, and then you click enter. Type in your administrator and password, your login password. Let me type in mine here. Click enter, and you can see, and they say if you wish to continue, type Y and press return. So just type Y here and click enter. So if the first time it doesn't work, you need to type in that command again. It's starting now, just wait for it. It may take some time. Now you can see it's done, it's 100% now. It even changed the name to install macOS Big Sur. So now you have successfully made the bootable USB using the terminal code. I have included the codes here in the description as well. You can check them out if you're not sure. Okay, that's it guys. This is how you can make a bootable USB of macOS Big Sur using both the app and the terminal codes. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.